Hey guys, welcome back to our hairstyling video. So today we'll be making this beautiful hairstyle. For that, we'll make the plaits after dividing the hairs into two parts, folded upward, and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will take few sections of the hairs in the front, we will tie it and then rotate it. Now we will make the plaits. Follow the same step for the other side as well. Join the hairs at the back like this. Then we will take the hairs from both the sides, tie it on the back, make the plaits like this, join them together and it's ready. Next, we will make a ponytail on the side like this. Then we will divide the hairs into small sections using this rubber bands. Then we will divide the hairs into two parts and make the plaits. Now we will roll the upward hair in a heart shape and tie it. And your beautiful hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the ponytails on the sides like this. Now using the rolling or bun making tool, we will fold it upward and make a bun like this. Now cover it using a rubber band and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the ponytail on the side like this. We will leave few small sections of the hairs like this and fix it using the rubber bands. Now we will tie the ponytail and make the plaits out of it. Roll it upward to make a bun and it's ready. Next, we will tie the plaits on the sides like this. Then we will fix it by fixing it on the back hairs. So we will take the back hairs and tie them in the front like this. Then we will rotate it using the fingers. Then we will fix it using the rubber bands. Put a beautiful cute rubber band and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will take few sections of the hairs in the front and then make the plaits out of it. Now we will fix it on the back by making the plaits like this and your beautiful hairstyle will be ready once you roll the hairs upward and finally it's done. I hope you liked it. Next, we will take few sections of the hairs in the front and then tie it and then rotate it using this tool. Then we will divide it into small sections using the rubber bands. Then we will fix the hairs on the back by making the plaits like this and we will tie it with the rubber band at the end as shown in the video and your beautiful hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.